Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your iPhone and watch so photos can transfer quickly. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap Photos, and choose a sync album. This controls which images appear on your watch. Set the photos limit to what you want. Fewer images save space. Keep your Apple Watch on the charger and next to the phone. Syncing occurs only when connected and nearby. Once done, wait for the progress indicator in the Watch app to finish before proceeding. Now focus on selecting and tailoring the pictures you want on the watch. On your iPhone, add chosen photos to favorites or move them into a dedicated album. This is how the Watch app knows what to sync. Crop or edit images so the subject is centered for the round or square face. That ensures the watch face looks good. Then, in the Watch app, pick the photo's watch face or add the photo's complication, which lets you pin a single image or cycle through synced photos. Finish by applying the new watch face and confirming the images appear correctly. On your Apple Watch, press firmly to add the photo's face, then force touch to customize which complications and layout you want. Make sure the album has finished syncing. If not, toggle the sync album off and back on in the Watch app and keep the watch on its charger. If problems persist, restart both devices. That often clears syncing glitches and forces the watch to reindex newly added photos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.